Hi children, how are you? Hope you are doing well. Yes, children. Now, without delaying, let's go to our topic in English. Class 1, Lesson 12, Vicky and Nikki. Yes, children, Vicky and Nikki. Before going to the lesson, just learn CK sound words. What children? CK sound words. CK, CK, K, CK, K sound words. See children, first one, SACK sack. Next, BACK back. Next, RACK rack. K. Yes children, PACK pack. LACK lack. BLACK black. Yes children. See for all these k sound came no children. Just you observe. Next SICK sick k. Next one KICK kick. Next CHICK chick. Next LICK lick. Yes k. CK sound came no children. LICK lick. Next THICK thick. Next one TICK tick. Next one STICK stick. Understood all of you? Next PICK pick. CK sound came no children. NECK neck. Next DECK deck. Next PECK peck. Next one LUCK luck. See children, for all these words, what sound came children? CK k. You observe children, k sound came. DUCK duck. SUCK suck. Yes children, these are CK k sound words. What are these? CK k sound words. Okay, now see in this lesson some new words are there. NECKLACE necklace. Necklace. You know no children, girls especially. See, you are also wearing necklace, no? What is necklace? Necklace means a piece of jewelry worn round the neck. Yes children, a piece of jewelry worn, WORN, worn round the neck. Worn round the neck. See children, we are wearing no necklace below the neck. Yes, girls, you like the necklace also. If you are going to any party or friend's house or relative's house, you are also wear this necklace, no children? Yes? Oh, that is necklace. Necklace means we are wearing necklace below the neck. That is called necklace. Now, strikes, STRIKES, strikes. Strikes means, see children, suppose see the time or wall clock in your house. Yes, it strikes no time. It shows the time, no children, by chiming. Yes, if the time is 6 o'clock, like that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that 6 times it strikes, no children. Show the time by chiming. That is called strikes. STRIKES, strikes. Show the time by chiming. Understood? Now these are new words. Now let us come to the lesson. Vicky and Nikki. See children, see on the screen. Yes, what is there? That door is locked. And here boy and girl, they are going somewhere. Isn't it? Yes? See here, this boy name is Vicky. He is a boy. Yes? And here, girl is there, no children. Her name is Nikki. N-I-C-K-Y, Nikki. Here, this boy name is Vicky. V-I-C-K-Y, Vicky. And Nikki, N-I-C-K-Y, Nikki. See children, what? Vicky and Nikki lock the house and go for a walk. What children? They locked the house and they are going for a walk. Vicky wears black shoes and white socks. See children here, what does he wear, Vicky? Come on, tell me. Vicky wears black shoes. Yes, black shoes, no children. You observe. See the picture. He wears black shoes and white socks. Vicky wears a red jacket with a big pocket. He wears a jacket also, a red jacket. What is the color of jacket, children? Vicky wears no jacket. What is the color of it? Red. Yes. Who wears red jacket? Vicky. Who wears red jacket? Vicky. Vicky wears a red jacket with a big pocket. See the picture, children, all of you. Yes, I am explaining, no children, about the first picture. See children, he wears a red jacket with a big pocket. And see children, Nikki. Nikki also wears a pink frock and a necklace. See the necklace, children. Now you understood what is necklace? She wears a necklace, no children, below the neck she is wearing, no. That is called necklace. And she wears a pink frock. What is the color of frock, children? Pink, yes. Who wears a pink frock? Nikki. Nikki wears a pink frock. Nikki wears a pink frock and a necklace. Yes, children. Understood all of you? First para. Okay. Now, see children. See the picture, second picture. See what Vicky is doing. Just he kicked the rock, no? What is he doing? He kicked the rock. And this girl, Nikki, what is she? Just she is having fun and she is laughing. He kicked the rock, no children. That's why both are laughing. They have a fun. Why? Because here, let us see. On the way, Vicky sees two chicks and a duck. See, they are going for a walk, no children. Both Vicky and Nikki, they are going for a walk, no. On the way, what does they see? Yes, Vicky sees two chicks and a duck. What did he see, children? He sees two chicks and a duck. Isn't it? Two chicks are there, no children? Yes, and a duck also there. Chicks are on a sack. See children, this is a different word. Yes children, new word now for you. Chicks are on a sack. S-A-C-K, sack. See children, sack means the chicks are sitting on a, yes, sack. Sack means it is a large strong bag for storing things. Yes children, it is a sack. S-A-C-K, sack means children a large strong bag for storing things or carrying goods also. We can say we can carry goods in this large bag. Yes children, suppose rice bag. It is a big bag, no children. Rice, wheat, java, like that. It is we are storing things in this big bag, strong big bag. That is called what? Sack. In Telugu we are saying that basta. Yes children. Basta we are telling, no, rice bag. Big rice bag, no children. That is called sack of rice bag or sack of wheat bag. Sack of jowar. Any goods we can store or we can carry goods in this sack. Understood children? So here chicks are on a sack. Yes. Where are the chicks, children? Chicks are sitting on a sack. And see children, duck. Where is duck? The duck is on a rock. On a big rock. It is sitting on a big rock. Here chicks are sitting on a sack, S-A-C-K sack, and the duck is sitting on a rock. Vicky kicks the rock. Suddenly, he's a naughty boy. Vicky, what he has done, children? Just he kicks the rock. So that what happened here? Immediately, the duck ran away. By kicking the rock, the duck ran away from that rock. Isn't it? The duck ran away. Vicky and Nicky have fun. Both are, this duck, it is going away. It is going away by hitting Vicky. By hitting the rock only, the duck ran away. So that Vicky and Nicky, they have fun. Yes, children. Have you seen the picture? Second picture. Now, see third picture, children. See on the screen. Vicky and Nicky come back home. See, just they went for a walk, no children. After some time, they went to home. They went back. They come back to home. Both Vicky and Nicky, they come back home. And the clock strikes 7. See the clock, children. See on the wall, clock is there, no big clock. Yes, what is the time? 7 o'clock. It strikes. See here, the clock strikes 7. That means it shows the time by chiming. Yes, children. Clock strikes means what, children? What is said to you? It shows the time by chiming, no. So here Vicky and Nicky come back home by 7 o'clock. The clock strikes 7. By the time they both, Vicky and Nicky, come back home. Now see, children, next picture. See on the screen. Vicky and Nicky pack the bags and go to school. Why do Vicky and Nicky pack their bags, children? Why? Can you tell? Vicky and Nicky pack their bags and go to school. Why, children? Why they pack their bags? To go to school. Both Vicky and Nicky pack the bags and go to school. This is the end of the lesson. Yes, I will ask you some questions. Can you answer them? Good, children. Okay. Who go for a walk, children? Can anyone tell who go for a walk? Vicky and Nicky go for a walk. Very good. What is the color of Vicky's jacket? What is the color of Vicky's jacket? Red color. Very good. The color of Vicky's jacket is red. Who wears a necklace? Come on, tell me. You know no answer. Who wears a necklace? Nicky. N-I-C-K-Y, Nicky. Nicky wears a necklace. Very good. Now, who are on the sack? Sack. S-A-C-K, sack. A large big bag, no children. We are storing things in that bag. That is called sack. Who are on the sack? Chicks. C-H-I-C-K-S, chicks. The chicks are on the sack. Very good. Why do Vicky and Nicky pack their bags? Can anyone tell? Very good, children. Yes, to go to school. They pack their bags to go to school. Very good. Yes, children, this is the end of the lesson. So, see, children, before going to the lesson, I gave you some CK sound words, no children, that you learn and write one time. This is your homework. Okay, children? Bye. See you tomorrow.